Imagine a world where unwanted facial hair is a thing of the past. Welcome to the realm of cutting-edge technology where lasers are our magic wand. This isn't science fiction, but reality. In just a few sessions, you can bid farewell to the tedious routine of shaving or waxing. Laser hair removal is easy, simple, and guess what? It's also painless. With each session, hair becomes finer and lighter until it's virtually invisible. The result? Smooth, flawless skin that feels as good as it looks. The best part? This isn't a temporary fix. The effects of laser hair removal are long-lasting, giving you the freedom to live your life unhampered by constant grooming. The world of tomorrow is here today. Embrace the power of lasers and enjoy the rewarding experience of a hair-free life. Your skin, your rules. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep, it's laser deep.